This is a floor crack repair job at Irathane Systems of Hibbing, Minnesota. We have about 110 linear feet of crack, pretty substantial cracking. It's all been hand ground out, clean, and then also shot blasted. As you can see, there's an 8-inch wide shot blasting path around the crack as well for extra adhesion. And then about every 8 inches cross hatch is cut into the concrete where an extra 1/8 inch steel round stock will be inserted to provide extra structural strength and to prevent the crack from re-cracking if some movement in the slab occurs. It will at least help the situation. As you can see, there's several cracks here. They all been treated the same way. Got a pretty good sized hole to fill here. Everything's ready to go. All the little bar laid out next to the cross hatches. It's all been blown out with air and vacuumed to remove any leftover dust. And the mixing station is all set up, ready to go. Shot blaster in the back or off to the side. Okay, well, see how this goes.